Hello aspiring geologists! In today's episode of Geology for Dummies, we are going to learn how to use axial planar cleavage to figure out fold geometry. But first, we have to understand the basics. Firstly, let's define what a fold is. Folds are beds which were once flat and looked like this, which have been bent or curved to look like this, as a result of pressure and high temperature. Secondly, all folds have an axial plane. This is the plane that divides the fold as symmetrically as possible. Lastly, let's define what cleavage is. Cleavage is a type of planar rock feature that develops as a result of deformation and metamorphism. It is seen as cracks in the surface of a rock, all running in the same direction. Now, let's use these concepts to look at axial planar cleavage. Axial planar cleavage is when the geometry of the cleavage planes is lined up with the geometry of the fold. This occurs when mineral-rich rock is first folded due to pressure, and then the mineral grains are elongated and turned. They are trying to line up with the axial plane, giving cleavage planes that are orientated parallel to the axial plane of the fold. These two kinds of deformation occur at roughly the same time. Axial planar cleavage is most common in schists. Therefore, unfortunately for us Auckland geologists, it is not so common here. Due to this relationship, we can use the axial planar cleavage that is visible in a rock specimen to figure out the orientation of the axial plane, and therefore determine the fold geometry. And there you have it. You now know how to use axial planar cleavage to determine fold geometry. Can't wait to see you all out in the field. Thanks for watching.